gala party right behind me. You can see it right there. And all the people that are sponsors or some part of the Bodrum Roulette Cup are here. Now we are gonna hit the full speed of the yacht. It's actually pretty fast, 28 knots for a 94-foot yacht. We're at the Bilgin shipyard in Turkey, Istanbul, and we're looking at their fantastic facility. This facility where we're at right now, they're building two 80-meter yachts. We're here with the chief designer, and he's showing us the designs, the future, the plans of the company. Pretty impressive place to be in, and I'm happy to see it. And hopefully we're gonna bring some of these boats to America. That's the future of yachting for the Caribbean. Finally made it to the Dreamline factory here in Fano, Italy. Behind me is the new 75-foot Van Dutch. It is huge. It's much bigger in volume than comparable 75-footers that I've seen. It will be first quarter of 2019 in Miami. And this boat's going to be a game changer.